Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of S5ce280. Boys, we got a treat for you today, a 2005 Chevrolet 2500 HD. I might have had my blindfolders on when I bought this truck. Them big old forged, I don't know, the forged wheels got me. I did not pay attention to any of the rust holes in this thing, the bent hitch, or just the overall terrible state of condition of this girl. She's got a lot of aftermarket parts on her. In her defense, she runs all right. I don't know how many miles she has because, well, she's being dumb. Duramax under the hood though, running great after we got the aftermarket fuel system primed. That was a treat. Come on, girl, open up. Whatever, you're just gonna have to trust me. There's good stuff underneath there. Let's drive this thing and see what the Duramax life is all about. I think we're in drive. I don't know, we're just gonna go with it. Well, it moves. That's a plus. Oh, it rubs terribly. It's a diesel. So, first impressions, props if you were the guy that drove this thing. It's a bucking Bronco. Oh, it just died. That's fun. Minor issue. Okay, well, on the fly, let's see if we can fix this. I think I may know what be going on here. I may have hooked up to the wrong thing on my jiggery rigging. Okay, so hold on. Let's try this. The other big fat one. There we go. Now I hear the fuel pump. Come on, girl. Please? Come on, baby. You know you want to. Man, imagine doing this on the side of the road all because your fuel pump relay took a crap on your Chinese Fast 150. Come on, girl. All right, well, that looks like I'm just gonna wrap up the test video of S5ce280. I'm an idiot and ran the Duramax out of fuel. Now we gotta reprime it. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen here though, that nice Duramax, the Allison 1000, those wheels, make fun of them, but they're in really nice shape. This guy did not curb them despite hitting everything else. Head on over to our website. There's gonna be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Friends don't let friends drive clapped out diesels. Just buy a gasser. Thanks for watching, guys.